It's a 2015 Buick LaCrosse. The finely crafted premium materials speak volumes about its quality and comfort. The IntelliLink 8-inch full-color touchscreen display is the centerpiece of a well-put-together interior layout, with every control where you need it for simple and easy operation. Features include remote start, driver shift control, dual-zone climate control, and OnStar with 4G LTE and Wi-Fi hotspot capability.
The climate control lets you set the temperature exactly where you want it. The backup camera gives you a clear picture of what is behind you. No one will complain about the temperature with the dual zone climate control.
Get into this best-selling luxury sedan today.
You'll love it at Lindsay. Call, click, or stop in today. We're conveniently located at 1525 Kenwood Avenue in Alexandria, Virginia.